What's going on, guys? Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you. Let me know how the audio sounds. In the process of getting a new mic. This one's not that great, actually. So I'm gonna see if I can get a better mic for you here. But anyway, in this short video, we're going to cover Moonrunners, why I got out, and why I'm into the next thing. Okay, the next degen play. All right, so currently, as of right now, if we refresh, the floor is at about 60.69. I got 3 of them. I wanted to get 4, but I ended up getting in at 0.075. Okay, pretty good price point entry, 0.075. Ended up 10xing my investments. My daughter's 13. She wanted one, so I sold her one for 0.13. which she flipped yesterday for 0.69 as well. I sold one for 0.69, and I sold another one for 0.77. I'm out. I made about ETH.5 profit. Not bad, considering a quick 3-day play, 3-day play. Not too bad. But I wanted to show you something. Let's go to my OpenSea account. This is just one of my accounts here. And for those of you guys new to trading NFTs, or maybe you've been doing this, but I just want to just put a warning out there. Never interact with these little banners that you get, because once you start buying NFTs, you're going to start to notice, like these little banners that say mint now, click here. And then these are all scams. Okay, so if you don't know anything about these little banner ads here, they're going to invite you to go to WTF.go, go pink, whatever the URL is here, and then you're going to connect your wallet, and they're literally going to steal your NFTs. Happened to me with Beans. I lost a 5.5 ETH Beans a few months back. That was a expensive lesson learned. At the time, it was about $17,000 with the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and it is what it is. So I just want to show you that if you're in your OpenSea account, just click these little 3 dots here, okay, and then you can click hide. And then you can have this little confirmation at the bottom. You can click multiple as well if you have more than one, and just click hide. You're also going to have to sign a little signature. It's going to pop up, and then it basically hides. Okay, so if we take a look at my activity here, you're going to see, let me just move this thing out of the way. I ended up picking up some wizards. I'll tell you more about these NFTs in a bit. But then you can see here my Moonrunner sold about 18 hours ago for 0.77, and I sold another one for like 0.69 over here. Okay, and then I ended up selling my daughter one, which she flipped for about a half ETH profit. Not too bad. So let's go to collected here, and let me know what you're doing. Are you are you still in Moonrunners? Are you out? Comment down below. Let me know what you're doing. I have a feeling that it's kind of dying out. I don't know. It could potentially pump to 1 ETH. I don't know if it's going to pass the hype of Goblin Town, because these guys are not doing as much marketing as Goblin Town when they were pumping. Goblin Town right now is still at about 3.3, 3.5 ETH, which is not bad. But let me know what you're doing. I flipped mine. I'm out of Moonrunners for now, unless I see a big dip where I see some big selling and a rebound of buying activity. I might jump in and out just to make 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 ETH. You never know. So I'm keeping my eye on it. But then in Trade Sniper, I found something trending yesterday. Monkerunners. MONKE runners. Excuse the noise next door. They're building a house. Hopefully it's not that bad. But then this is what it looks like. Monkerunners. Okay, I got in at 0.016, give or take. It went up to I think 0.03, and then it's kind of like dying out a little bit, but then it's picking back up again. You might want to look into these Monkerunners. Probably just a derivative of Moonrunners, whatever runners now. It looks like that's the meta, Monkerunners. So I did pick up a few of these just because they're so cheap. I ended up paying literally 25 to 35 bucks for these 3. This was a rare one. The floor is 0.18 at the moment. Okay, so I did get these. Potentially, if they start pumping up, maybe I'll make another video. Let me know if you want me to make a more in-depth video on these guys. I won't get into the details of icy tools and looking at the data right now, but let me know. You might wanna check these out. Monkerunners, and then these assassins. They're called Not for Noobs and Plebs. They were trending. I think they still are trending. On the first page here, where were they? I discovered them. They were 15. They're kind of going down. I don't see them up here anymore. Clone X, Goblin Town's at 3.25. Now there's some, I just discovered moon turtles as well, so I haven't really paid attention to that yet. That's potentially Copetown. I was looking at 2.99. It went down to 2.5, and now it's back up again. Here's the Monkerunners, 0.2, not bad. I think this has potential. Their Twitter is a little active. There's a lot of people getting it. Like on Moonbirds is doing well. What happened to, man, these guys kind of dipped. These guys kind of dipped hard. Let's see. Yeah, this was a degen play for sure. These guys here. What was it? Not assassins. There's so many projects, I forget. Like, there's so many out there, guys. It's crazy. Not for Noobs and Plebs. The floor is 0.015 at the moment. They were pumping 2.8 thousand. I like to see at least, getting close to half between items and owners. So that means about, one owner got about, one wallet has about two NFTs. Let's check activity here. Yeah, they're slowing down a little. I got two just because they were cheap. I discovered them on Twitter. Sometimes you never know. Sometimes you could be sitting on these things for a week or two, and then all of a sudden, overnight, the floor could double and triple. Really, really crazy. That's what happened to me with Goblin Town. I went to sleep. I got into Goblin Town at about 2.5 ETH, 3 ETH. And then I went to sleep one night. It was at 4 ETH. Woke up, it was at 8 ETH the next morning. Crazy. So things literally can change. I wouldn't say, put all your money in these little stupid things. If you're playing these degen plays, get two. Get two. This way you can flip one, recoup your money, and then you could be sitting on one. As the floor goes up, you could potentially sell and do well. But I did well on Moonrunners. Moonrunners. Let me know how what you're doing on Moonrunners. But that's pretty much it for now, guys. So if you're totally new to crypto, trading NFTs and whatnot, I also do a lot on the Solana chain. I haven't been making videos with Solana with Magic Eden yet. I literally sold 27 Soul Punks overnight because like I just said, sometimes you never know when they pump. I was buying Soul Punks, the OG Soul Punks, at between 3.5 to 4.5 Sol, maybe like 6 months ago, and then I had them all listed at like 8.5 to 10 Sol. Woke up one morning and all 24 of my Soul Punks were gone. I had like over 200 Sol in my wallet. Like, I was like, holy crap. Literally, I still got 3 left because they were priced really high, but I'm kind of happy I still have 3. And the reason why I got into Soul Punks was because I started flipping OG Crypto Punks, the Larva Labs Crypto Punks, back in February of last year. And that's where I made a lot of my money with ETH, was flipping those things. And then I was flipping Mutant Ape. I missed out on the Bored Ape Yacht Club because I was looking at them, never got in, but then I was flipping Mutant Apes, Meebits, did a lot of Meebit sales. But anyway, guys, if you're interested, you want to learn more about crypto flipping, NFTs, check out my site, the link at the top right over here or down below. And you sign up to this free newsletter. There's nothing for sale or anything like that yet. I will have an advanced program coming soon, but right now it's just a free newsletter. I made close to $1 million flipping NFTs. I got Moonbirds. I was in the beginning of Hash Masks. I still have some CryptoPunks, and I do DeFi as well. So if you guys are looking to learn about all of this stuff. I know there's a lot, but if you know what you're doing, and if you can get in and out of certain trades, you can make some good ETH. I mean, imagine being able to get in and out of trades and make 8 to 15 ETH per month profit. That's not bad. I mean, ETH is down right now. What are we at? This is getting to be a little long, but ETH is at, I think, around $1,200, $1,200. Imagine when ETH goes back up to 4,000, 5,000, and you're making 10 ETH per month. That's a lot of money. So anyway, like the video, share, subscribe, guys, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Crypto Richie hanging out. I'm about to get a better mic, so my audio comes in a little clearer. But that's pretty much it for now. I might make a follow-up video on Monkerunners, and then maybe we'll do some on these not for noobs and plebs if they start kind of getting some traction here. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. Peace.